Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sherman, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Westminster, Cannon, Van Alstyne, Ida, Tom Bean, Whitehide, Nobility, Pilot Grove, Luella, Howe, White Mound, Trenton, Anna, and Sherman. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. thunderstorm was located near Celeste, or 16 miles north of Greenville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Laurel City, Kingston, Dial, Bud Trestle, Ladonia, Fairleigh, Celeste, South Sulphur, Leonard, Gober, Bailey, Honey Grove, and Pecan Gap. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Hunt County in north central Texas, northeastern Collin County in north central Texas, southwestern Fannin County in north central Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Trenton, or 18 miles northeast of McKinney, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Westminster, Kellogg, Frognet, Merritt, Blue Ridge, Kingston, Trenton, Nobility, Farmersville, and Livon Lake. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north central Texas, south central Collin County in north central Texas, northeastern Dallas County in north central Texas until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wiley, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sash C, Lowell City, Wiley, St. Paul, Lake Ray Hubbard, Fett, Rockwall, Livon Lake, Rowlett, Murphy, Livon, Keith, Branch, Parker, Roy City, McClendon, Chisholm, Sunnyvale, Lucas, Garland, and Richardson. This includes Interstate 30 between mile marker 62 and 76. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Source, radar indicated.
I got it.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Collin County in north central Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fairview or near McKinney, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton, Frognet, Lowry Crossing, Lucas, Allen, Fairview, McKinney, Altoga, Branch, Blue Ridge, Livon Lake, Josephine, New Hope, Copeville, Farmersville, Nevada, Melissa, Wiley, Livon, and Parker. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.